How did you first learn about Abhyas Law Program?
So I was searching for law coaching institutes, and my mother happened to see the commercial in the newspaper and she told me about it. So my friend and I visited the institute, and after talking to Venkatesh sir, we were confirmed that Abhyas was the way ahead.
What benefits or features made you choose ALP?
I guess it's reliability. So where in the first interaction itself, I felt that the other person was interested in knowing my interests and my difficulties, and then help me out likewise. So I guess materialistic stuff nowadays everyone is providing, but the reliability and complete investment was what I found is the best feature of Abhyas.
Is there a person from ALP team you would specifically like to talk about?
I would like to talk about Lokesh sir. So he was was like a guiding mentor for me, like throughout my journey in Abhyas as well as my CLAT. So any doubt I had regarding any subject or the institutions to choose, universities to choose, he was always the go-to person.
Did you face any difficulties as a part of ALP? And if so, were they resolved?
Yeah, so when I first enrolled myself into Abhyas, the corona happened and the lockdown was implemented. So I had a doubt regarding the efficacy of the course and the program because of the online classes and no physical environment, but I guess it was managed well by the online classes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend ALP to upcoming CLAT aspirants?
Yeah, definitely 10 on 10, no doubt about it.
Did you get any guidance and tips at ALP to help you while attempting CLAT 2021 exam? If so, did they contribute to your performance?
Yeah, definitely. So Abhyas helped me in discovering the right pattern for me to attempt the CLAT exam, like which section to attempt first and all, and it definitely helped me in boosting my performance.
Did ALP help you understand and assess the CLAT syllabus to help with your preparation strategy?
Yes, so I feel however difficult and complicated this stuff is, if you break it down, it's easier to comprehend them and understand it. So that's what exactly Abhyas did, breaking down stuff so that we can easily comprehend it and prepare our own strategy accordingly.
Did the classes prepare you to deal with new or unfamiliar questions?
Yes, so in every class we were introduced to different set of questions with varied difficulties, so that we are accustomed to all kind of questions and all possibilities.
Did the ALP team take any steps to assess your personal aptitude and provide you guidance according to that?
Yeah, so the best personal assessment was our mocks, and after every mock we had a detailed analysis and evaluation of our own sections and how much we improved and all. So after going through that, if we had any doubts, the Abhyas team was always ready to help us and guide us.
Did you find the mocks helpful with regard to the new pattern?
Yes, the mocks were, they gave us an insight of how the actual exam is going to be. So they were really helpful.
Share your views on the teaching or delivery style followed at ALP.
So first of all, because of the lockdown and online classes, teaching is very difficult to have a grip on the students and to maintain the interest with just few slides of PPT. But the faculty at Abhyas, they were personalizing the slides instead of just reading from the PPT, which helped in maintaining the interest. And also the worksheets provided at the end of the class was just like a revision for the subject we've learnt in that class that day.
Do you feel that the study material provided to you at ALP was relevant to the scope of CLAT 2021?
Yes, so we were provided with a vast study material for our preparation, like starting from the basics to brush up our basics and to get a clear idea of the concepts, to the passage based study material to get accustomed to the CLAT pattern.
How did the lockdown affect you personally?
Because of the lockdown, I really miss the classroom atmosphere and physical classes, But the main thing that affected me was because of the lockdown, I couldn't write physical, as in classroom mocks. I could only write the online mocks, and when you're writing in a classroom, there is certain pressure that is put on you, like, so that helps you in preparing for your actual exam. But because the actual exam was the direct exam where I had to face this pressure, it put me in a state of panic.
Did you find any difference between online preparation and physical classes?
By the time I started my CLAT preparation, the lockdown was already implemented, so I didn't get to experience any physical classroom stuff.
Did you find online classes at Abhyas helpful?
Yes, definitely. The online classes were really helpful. The faculty being, really good experts, they were explaining the concepts really well, and yeah, they were really helpful.
Did you see any advantage as a part of ALP that gives you an edge over your fellow aspirants?
Yes, so the first thing was the teaching method followed at ALP. So even though I was a part of like a huge group of students, I felt as if I was personally being attended to, and I'm sure all of my other colleagues felt the same way. And also the study material was really helpful. It was very vast, and if you're thorough with the study material, I'm sure you can get a seat in any NLU.
What was your first thought after getting out of CLAT 2021 examination center?
To be honest, the feeling of completing the paper was so overwhelming that I couldn't think anything else. But at the end, the back of my mind, I knew that I didn't give my best. Perhaps the reason being I couldn't focus on the paper completely.